Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to switch off or to switch on the screen touches in screen recording. So first you should go to the settings, and now just scroll down to the additional settings. Now just you'll see here the screen recorder, and tap on this section, and right there you'll see the show touch gestures. Just to turn on, just tap here on the switcher, and if you will record something, your touch gestures you will see on the switcher. So if you want to turn it off, this function, just tap on the switcher again, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.